Going for a drive on a weekend for dinner or shopping is expected to be a pleasurable experience. But as soon as you're near the mall, you see that there are long lines of cars waiting to get in and park. The lines are so long that they come out and disrupt traffic outside. And once you get on the line, it's hard to get out because there is only one way to get in and one way to get out. Don't be fooled by the location that I'm in right now. I'm in an educational institution during summer break. It's not very hard to find parking here. Let's consider an alternative scenario. When you're heading to a movie, you're in a hurry, you want to go park your car, get popcorn, and then go into the movie on time. Once the movie is over, when you're coming out, you realize that you don't really remember where you parked your car. It's a multi-storage parking lot with 10 floors of dedicated parking. You go up and down, back and forth, and you still can't find your car. But don't despair, we have a solution for you. Hi, my name is Arjun Natarajan. I'm the Managing Director of Tronics Solutions Private Limited. We are involved in remote data acquisition and data analytics. What it means is that we put our sensors in a remote location, gather the data, bring it to a cloud service, and analyze the data and provide meaningful results. As our first venture, we've involved ourselves into parking guidance solution. What we do is we put sensors, vehicle detection sensors, in a parking lot, in each slot. These vehicle detection sensors sense the presence of the car when a vehicle comes on top of that. This vehicle presence information is actually mapped on the floor plan of that particular parking lot. And this floor plan information is brought out in the form of a mobile app. You have to create an account. You can log into the app with vehicle presence information in each level being mentioned on the side. Once you go into a particular floor, it opens up view of that floor's floor plan and shows you which are the available spots and which are the occupied spots. Available spots, as you can see, are marked in green, and occupied spots are marked in red. Once you park your car, you can click on that particular spot and ask the app to remember where you parked your car. The app shows the slot number and the registration number of your car, which you entered during creating your account, and tells you that this particular slot will be remembered. So as a commuter, if you're going to the mall, you'll know which floor has how many parking spaces available. And once you go into that particular floor, you'll get a two-dimensional view of where exactly there are available parking spaces and where there are occupied parking spaces. With this information, you can direct yourself to empty parking space. Now that vehicle presence information is in the form of an app, we can add features on top of that. So before you leave your house, you can reserve a parking space and go to the parking garage and park your car there. To reserve a parking space, you have to go into a floor that is reservable. In our case, for the demo, level 1 is being made reservable. In order to reserve a spot, you have to click that particular spot, and the app will ask you if you want to reserve this spot. You click OK and then enter the date and time when you're reserving a spot. Once that is done, that available spot is marked as R, thus showing other people that it's already being reserved. As you can see, that particular spot is marked as R. And a confirmation mail is sent telling you that you've reserved that particular spot and your car's registration number. It also sends you a confirmation key. Once you park your car, you can remember where you parked your car. A lot of people find it hard once at probably during the midnight when they come out of a movie hall to locate their car. they don't know which floor they parked their car. So this app helps you also remember where you parked your car. The app also comes with a help icon. Once you go into the help icon, it tells you how to use the app to reserve parking space and remember where you parked and also find free parking space. It also gives you a basic description of all the icons being used. Parking is a multi-billion-dollar industry. With the automobile industry bouncing back from recession, the total number of automobiles on road has crossed 1 billion. Thus, emphasis throughout the world is being laid on smart city infrastructure. I believe parking guidance solution is not only going to improve the quality of life, but it's an absolute necessity.